Alright, today's video we've got the Gardenreet well light. It's got a 72-inch wire lead, IP rating 65. We got some installation instructions. Alright, looks like we got to take the screws out of the top, take the lens off, and put the light in. Check them out. Still really heavy. Nice and solid. Alright, it's got the pre-cut wires ready to go. Just gonna zip these screws out here. Just pop that top off like that. And then it's got this gasket on there with the lens. Got the LED bulb. It's got the holes down in there. We're just going to try to line them up. Boom, right down in there. Quick and easy. We'll put our lens back on. Line up our screw holes. See if we can do this. Oh, we lost a few. It's alright, we kept 3. That's pretty easy. Just gonna tighten these back up. That was easy. I really like the way they look in the rocks. You can hide the wire in the rocks. And the final results, the well lights definitely added a ton of light to the side of the house. The combination with the landscape lights, I'll leave that video in the info card up above. Make sure you check it out if you hadn't seen it. But these well lights definitely put off a ton of light for as small as they are. Check out gardenreet.com. I'll put the link down below. Hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Until next time, have a great night.